Doors play. The wind hums songs.
Perfect, thank you.
Whispering pines, secrets untold. Carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills through the velvet.
So now we're going to set it up. I brought the flowers over and we're going to space them out first. Out, see how we like it, and then we're going to put the words in place. I think the most important thing, come on over here. The most important thing will be so that they're easily visible from the outside, because we want people on the street engaging with the flowers and the project, and also the shop owners and the cafes, right? We want everyone to participate. So now we're going to put the flower words down, space them out equally, and we're done. I'm putting the words in place, and they need to be in the same order if we want to be consistent. So I'm going to put in the last two, joy and anger. Minor difficulties, perfect. Peace, anger, like that. And then we're going to tape them to face the street. Perfect. Let's finish putting our words up here, just like that. And no need to be super fancy. We want it to be easy and accessible, easy to set up. So I'm taping them onto the window, and we're also going to have them facing inward here, a second set of words, because people buy beautiful ice cream. Yum, yum, yum.
Each echo